Hello everyone, I'm Pranav and now I'm here with another and new topic that you would love to know if you are in your 20s or in the college life. So this topic is is based on the problem that everybody would be faced in their life. So the problem is the decision making issues. I think you got a overview and small idea कि what the system would be going on. So yeah, the decision making is very important and very crucial for your life if you are in the 20s or whatever your age is, because it is important for all ages. So I am not a genius. First of all, I don't tell I told you, yeah, I am not a genius. I just have a hack that if you will follow, then the chances to get success in your life or in your excuse me, particular age would be good. So yeah, so the tip is the hack is take your decisions as early as possible. You think, what the rubbish are you talking? Wait, I will give you a logic behind it. So if you are up, so think this way, कि if you had to take a decision and if you delayed it and go and forgot and unfortunately it it would gonna be wrong, then what are you do? Excuse me. Also, there is a cough for me. I'm suffering from cold. So forget it. So if you are to take the decision in delayed or after wasting some times or many if I even I've said many times, so it would be a disadvantage to make it correct easily, because you waste more times. So the possibility to make it correct would be would be like impossible, or seems to be impossible. I will sure give you an example. If you are in a if you choose your career and you are think कि you have done your bachelor's and you think कि I what कि I think I should work for a year with a company, so and get an experience, and then I will go for the masters or the MBA and all that stuff. And if you think कि नो नो आई थिंक मेरे को पहले ये मास्टर्स करना चाहिए एंड देन आई वुड गो टू द कॉर्पोरेट ऑन ऑल दैट. So it would be a, so if you delay to take a right decision or a decision, then or if gonna be wrong, then you have wasted some time or a year or if even more than a year, and you have to and if you want to correct it, then you were all then you have to work for a year or another year again. So there's a 2 years you have wasted or you have taken to correct a decision. Or if you take a decision in early, then it would be a less time. You this take this will take some less time from it, and you will then chances to get your job early or your promotion earlier, and you get success in your life as early. So yeah, this is the topic. I think you got my point, and if you have some thoughts about that, then please comment it on the below, and we'll meet with another topic, another idea. Thank you so much for joining me here.